What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of 843 Motorsports. I'm your boy, Red Lion Randy, and we're going to be heading out to the Pontiac GTO and doing some clutch work.
Alright, so I got a new pilot bearing with my clutch kit, so I'm going to have to pull that out. And I called AutoZone and asked them if they had a blind hole puller or a pilot bearing puller tool. And believe it or not, they have no idea what the heck I'm talking about. 3 AutoZones and we finally have it. They let just anybody work here. I don't understand. No one knew what I was trying to buy. Finally some older dude came in and was like, yeah, I know what you want. Look at this, I guess. This is me giving up for the night because I hate this car and everything that comes with it. Alright, so the one I rented from AutoZone sucks. It tore all the needle bearings out of it and just basically destroyed it, but it left it in there. So I had to go buy this one from good old Harbor Freight. This one looks better. I already looked at it. It's basically, you stick this in there, tighten it, and these will spread apart, and then you put old Bessie on there and just yank her out. So see how it goes. If this doesn't work, I'm just gonna set the car on fire. So we'll see. That is a beautiful sound of a man hard at work trying to get a bearing out. It's not coming out. Well, so I said it's the sound of a man trying to get a bearing. Oh God, I've already done this like 40 times.
Yeah, it's in there.
She don't come out.
Let me try getting my grip.
It works.
Well, my professional verdict is busted.
Alright, this is how you get a pilot bearing out when the slide hammer won't work. You get a strap from your trans jack. Don't know why we didn't use it, but we didn't. Just simple knot. Right there, right on the handle. You're gonna lay on your back and try and push the car off of the jack stands. And then while you're doing that, hammer home. And she'll come right out like butter, baby.
I think you've had enough of that position now, though.
Dude, just to be completely clear, it's my 3rd day trying to get whole days.
Good God, man. Well,
You can see I dremeled it to nothing.
that's crazy.
I don't know. I never want to do one of these again.
All right, next step, shower.
Yeah, I smell like that.
Alrighty, guys, the day has come. Monster clutch is finally here. Looking beautiful. We got the flywheel in now. We're torquing down the bolts. And let me tell you what, that flywheel is about as heavy as a large toddler. We on the jack here, so getting it up there was a little bit of a
It was a challenge.
pain. We did a he bum lifted the flywheel on, and I put the bolts in. We did a little bit of a 66. It's like a 69, but with 2 6s. and got the bolts on there. I mean, I told them they don't even need torqued. I don't know why you gotta do all that crap. Just finger tighten them, you know what I'm saying? Well, we were gonna do the last pass on the flywheel, torquing those bolts down, but oh, Lady Liberty's here with the wings, baby.
Come bearing gifts.
B-dubs, get you some of that. Alrighty.
If I drop this on my face, I will die. There's no way around that.
Clutch is going in.
I don't think it quite is.
Well, if you're watching this video, wanting to know how to install a clutch,
Not by yourself.
just skip out of it right now. Because this is... What's going on? Alrighty, we got the clutch in there after some
Some frustration.
persuasion.
Who's we? All of us.
I mean, by we, I mean Derek. I sat
He supervised.
outside.
Made sure he stayed safe.
Y'all supervised.
Yeah,
I
made sure he
appreciate
stayed safe.
it.
Yet
After I asked him.
he took the jack away, and
I
was just
couldn't get it in.
sitting on Harbor Freight jack stands. You know,
They're the good
totally
ones.
safe.
I did take them in and they checked them. They said they're fine.
If you ever want to know if your tool's good or not, if it has that on it, it's good for life, bud.
What'd it
Super
say?
sturdy. Pittsburgh.
Oh yeah.
You know, Pittsburgh, best city in the country too. So
That's debatable.
that's true. So now we gotta put bale housing on,
And the
and
fun part comes.
yeah,
Oh God.
that's gonna be a pain in the.
Alright, you're my eyes, Nelson. Put it in the hole.
Hey, Romo, close your door. My ears are gonna hurt.
I'll get closer than that.
Oh, come on.
Closer than that.
No, you're good.